Hello everybody, in this video we are announcing that we can now fit and install the drop mount hardware on any back support within the Spex product range. The drop mount hardware was originally designed for the Zygo active back support range. However, we knew all along that this product will benefit a much wider client range. Benefits with the drop mount hardware: it weighs only 600 grams, including the L brackets. Secondly, fast to install. The drop mount hardware has only 2 clamps each side. Once they're tightened up on the backrest upright tubes, it's done. Thirdly, simple to lift away from the wheelchair. For those clients who are constantly removing their back support and transferring from the wheelchair, switch the levers and lift the back support directly out of the chair. Another benefit with the drop mount hardware is the clamps suit up to a 32mm upright tube. This allows the hardware to be used on tubes which are wider than the 1-inch standard tubes. The ordering process for drop mount hardware is very simple. Once you've prescribed the back support you require, select the drop mount hardware and we'll ship the two together. Some things you need to know when prescribing the drop mount hardware for other back supports from the Spex range. Firstly, the drop mount hardware is only recommended for back supports up to 18 inches tall. We also don't recommend the drop mount hardware for clients in high impact situations or constantly thrusting against the back support. So whether you need a basic or more advanced back support from Spex, now you can choose the drop mount hardware. In summary, whatever back support you're selecting from the Spex back support range, the drop mount hardware is now available. Thank you for watching.